Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point Heat Exchangers and Blue Baron Truck Mounts. It's January 27th, Wednesday, 2021, and we've been just as busy as ever. We've got a Working Man's Gray colored Compact 36. The Compact 45 is going out tomorrow to McMinnville, Tennessee. We have another 45. So, and just on the 20th, we sold a Model 33 SA, which is pretty much the same as this setup here. Same basic body, as you can see, except for the size of the engine will differ and the size of the blower. But basically everything is the same. We have the same famous Access Point heat exchanger, 3,500 pounds pressure rated, get really high pressure, do all those pressure washing jobs that other Prochem and Sapphire and any one of those truck mounts cannot do unless they get into a $30,000 range truck mount. So we offer the most for your money. We've been 15 years in the business building these fine machines, and we have 7 different models. We even have the Aviator 36, which is a smaller model. Was very, very durable, has the same quarter plate setup with the laser cut. As you see, this is all very well built, beautiful skirting all the way around, front panels all nicely infrastructured, and the way that we do our TIG welding all in the inside. All stainless headers, full headers, really solid 316 stainless, L stainless headers, all flex hoses that are all stainless, everything's stainless, braided hoses are stainless. We put a lot into these truck mounts, and as you can see, the body starts out like that, very well put together, all TIG welded. We actually use 308L rod when we TIG weld. We could use 70S, but we don't. We use the top quality stainless rod when we TIG weld. Come out really nice, all nicely powder coated with pullbacks, and once we put the engine and the blower on, the water pump goes here, blower goes there. We have 2 different sizes for that. Full instrument panel. As you can see, once this gets populated, it's going to look beautiful. It's a lot of work, a lot of precision work, doing it right. We don't cut any corners. We use the highest quality belt. It's a belt-driven unit, so we use the highest quality industrial belts you can possibly find in the industry. Long wear, low shed, and longevity. That's what it's all about. And we don't sell any truck mounts with those dangerous direct drive couplers. The 7 Lovejoy or the 8s, they're all garbage. All our units are all belt driven, reliable, give you fair warning. Usually our customers will have the first belts in about a few years. I've seen them go as far as a few years before their first belt change out. So everything is here, fully last step injection. Everything is properly sized, and our vacuum system is full convention pipe size, so it's like 2.5 on a 45. Same thing with a 36. This is also a 45 size blower, and this one's going to get a 36 and a 23.5 horse Kohler. And it's just been busy. It hasn't stopped since all the way through COVID and well before that, but it's just been really busy. People are seeing us for our quality. 15 years in the industry speaks for itself. I take a lot of pride in what I do. I just love what I do. There's a passion behind what I do. And I would say the icon of our Blue Baron series of truck mounts is the heat exchanger and its ability to transfer heat effectively without any non-layering concentric type setup. Tube and shell doesn't work very well. This is a series of spirals, 80 feet of high pressured stainless tubing, so it gives you a quick transfer of heat and a stable heat, and that's what's important. So at any rate, we're still finishing this unit up. We'll be finished this week. And our shop Has all the facilities for stainless braided hoses, hose cutting, a couple of TIG weld stations, got another TIG weld station over on this side. Everything we need to do the job. We spend thousands of dollars in just parts alone and fittings. And but we take a lot of pride in what we do. And so, any rate, call us today at 727-505-2989 and go online for your quick approval application through ClickLease. They'll work with lower FICO scores, more challenged FICO scores. And give us a call and look us up on truckmountstore.com, and has a full array of accessories, including we are the major factory for heat exchangers in the industry, and we've actually filled in for many of the ProChem discontinued models sold to John Donne. Oftentimes, if they had a customer with a 405 or a Legend or whatever, we sold all over the world for our famous heat exchangers. Open concept, easy breathe, truck mounts, easy to fix, easy to maintain, no louvered covers. So call us today at 727-505-2989 and ask for Pete. Thank you.